I'm using a particle photon to operate a LIDAR. LIDAR is a distance device using laser radar. The photon, particle photon, is connected to LIDAR, and it's also on a pedestal, tilt pan pedestal. I can operate the LIDAR through Wi-Fi through the photon, and I can do pan and tilt over Wi-Fi UDP protocol. Here's an example. I'm using packet sender. If I go to tell it to tilt up with a UDP command, the photon will send a command over to the LIDAR to tilt it up. If I say tilt center, well, that was tilt down, sorry. Here's tilt center. If I say pan right, it will pan the LIDAR device to the right. If I say pan left, it will pan it left. If I say pan center, it will put it back to center. Over here on the serial port coming out of the photon device, I'm sending distance information. I hope you can see that. If I tilt up, notice how it's about almost 2 feet. But if I tilt up, you will see that it's from my bench to the ceiling. It's detecting that the distance is about 6 feet. If I tilt back to center, you'll see that it goes back to about 2 feet. It measures it, my software is measuring it in centimeters and converting it to inches and feet. Over here on packet sender, let me see if I can get in on this here. The packet sender let me clear the log. The packet sender is receiving UDP messages through the photon that are being sent to it from the LIDAR. So the LIDAR and the tilt and pan pedestal servos are being controlled over Wi-Fi via UDP protocol. Anyways, I thought you guys would like to see this. I hope it turns out okay.